What up? This your boy T from Tax Appliance Services coming at you again. I just want to keep in touch and let you guys know what's going on with me. Follow this journey with me on this journey in appliance repair. As your boy, have a business, being a barber. COVID shut that all down for a brother. So now, I'm at home and I'm like, man, you got some skills, bro. Go on ahead and, do your appliance repair business. You know how to work on appliances, even though you ain't did it in a couple of years, but you know what I'm saying? You can fresh up on it a little bit. So I did, I want to say what's up to the ABC fam out there. Mike Sneed, he had the appliance repair boot camp, and I took the online course. And, like I said in the previous video, man, it's awesome. You guys need to, if you ain't, took the class, then you need to, because I'm telling you, it's real simple. Anybody can learn how to do it. The way he breaks it down, I mean, he gets straight to the point, and he tells you about the businesses, not just appliance repair, but other business too. And he tells you about the business side of appliance repair, which was, to me, that was like, you know, that was like a million times, what anybody else could even tell me or give me, you know what I'm saying? So, but what I want to get into is talking about the next step, the third party warranty. So, I got online and I was trying to fill out the application for Cinch, and I found out I needed to adjust my auto insurance. So one of the things about some of the third party warranty companies is you got to have a certain amount of liability, general liability. I think it's like a million to 2 million on that. And then you actually have to let them know about, that what type of auto insurance that you have too. Well, I had to adjust my auto insurance because my auto insurance was like 100,000, and they said, nah, it needs to be up to 250 to 500,000. So, I had to holler at my beautiful wife and say, hey, babe, we need to change our insurance so that, so I can get out here and make this money. So, she went on ahead and adjusted it online and everything. And it didn't cost that much more for the adjustment to go up to 250,000 to 500,000. So I was excited. I'm like, okay, I'm going to fill out this application and go on and do what I need to do. I was going to fill it out today, but this morning when I got on, I got up, and got on the Facebook, ABC Facebook, group, Facebook group page. And man, this one brother, Michael Harris down in Bakersfield, he's out here in Cali too, and he's trying to get on and get his business started too down there in Bakersfield. Well, he put out a question about the Bureau of Household Goods and Services, Department of State. They want you to pay for a license. Now, see, I didn't know nothing about this. Even when I started, some years back when I tried to get out there and get it, I ain't know nothing about this. I ain't know you need to have, a license for, the state, I know in barbering, yeah, you got to be licensed up, the Department of Barbering and Cosmetology, you know, you need to be licensed up through them. Well, in California, you got to be licensed up with the Bureau of Household Goods and Services. Okay, if you ain't licensed up and the enforcers come through, bruh, I don't wanna have to go through what you would have to go through paying all these fines and maybe even get your license. Well, you ain't got no license, so they'll shut your operations down and you might get blackballed out to where you can't even get no license. You know what I'm saying? So you don't even want to go that route. I know I don't. So I went on ahead and went to the state website, the Bureau of Household Goods and Services. Went there, filled out, well, not fill out the application online. You got to print it out. I printed it out, filled it out, and it's like $190 that you got to pay in order for you to get your license. So that's what I did. Went to the post office, sent that bad baby out, priority. So now, I got to go on ahead and wait and, see if they're going to go on ahead and approve a brother. So then I can have my license and I'd really be ready to rock and roll. You know what I'm saying? So on top of that, uh, I just sent a message on Appliantology. Since I already was a member of Appliantology, I don't have to pay, the upfront money for, being a new member. All I have to do is pay a renewal fee. So I sent the message. They said for you to send a message to, Samurai Guru Tech Guy. So I sent a message to him saying, "Hey, I want to renew so I can have that repertoire." And let me tell y'all something, man. That appliantology the last time, bro, when I was doing appliance repair, man, that appliantology, bro, it got everything you need as far as schematics, as far as you know, the documentation on the how the appliance is broken down. Each part, I forgot what it's called. It's not the schematics, but it's called something else. But they got that on there. They got videos. They got, form where you can just ask a question like, "Hey, I got this going on with this model, this and that and the other." And man, let me tell you, they get back at you, you know. And just like the brothers say on, on the ABC forum and, on their videos, yeah, I do be checking y'all out, you know. Yeah, I've been checking out my boy DC DCNF, appliance repair. I've been checking him out. I've been checking out Miss Ward. I've been checking y'all all out, man, trying to stay up on the game, man. And I'm telling you, you guys are really, you know, bringing the game, and I'm sucking it all up, man. And, I really appreciate what y'all doing. And that's why I'm doing what I'm doing right now, because I know there's going to be some new alumni coming in and, they want to know what's going on. So I'm just letting y'all know I don't want to be long on this. So I just want to let y'all know this is what's going on with your boy. And, I see y'all next time. Peace.